The wind also impacted driving conditions with high wind alerts and warnings listed throughout the area. This morning, that semi right there toppled in Washoe Valley while heading south on 395. According to Nevada State Police, there were no injuries, even with that broken windshield. Crews decided to keep the semi-truck on its side until the wind dies down. Also this morning, this truck flipped in the wind on Highway 395 near Red Rock Road. Highway 395 heading north has had a high wind alert throughout the day. No injuries reported here either, thankfully. Crews are waiting for the wind to calm before removing this truck, too.